Your ability to speak in tongues is the only spiritual gift that the Holy Ghost makes available to us that you can operate at will. It's not up to God, it's up to you. The reason is because it is inherent capacity. It is downloaded and installed on your spirit. Are you there? So you can decide when you want to use it. You can decide if you don't want to use it. Just like I have the application already downloaded into my phone, I can decide when I want to use the application. So you will hear Paul make statements like, I thank my God that I pray in tongues more than you all. He chose that he wants to maximize the capacity of the investment that was given to him. Please help me preach to your neighbor. It's not up to God, it's up to you. You are waiting for a moment where the wind of the Holy Ghost will blow on your head and you feel it, then you begin to speak in tongues. It will happen when you are old. It's inherent capacity, so it is up to you to utilize it.